Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a glove box on a Mark IV Golf. The first thing you're going to need is a T20 socket and preferably a vast array of extensions as it is a Volkswagen. Okay, so I got my T20 extensions, flathead. You're going to take out all the crap in here, which is already out, and you want to start with that T20 right there. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is get your T20 right there and take that out. Okay, so your T20 is out there. Next thing you're going to want to do is pop off this. Now, this cover is really cheap, so I'm going to go from the leather. Now, normally, you're supposed to kind of just put it back and on an angle. In my case, I need to fix the clip, so that's going to stay off for now. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to put pressure here. So it should be popped in like that, and then it's going to pop out. What you want to do is you want to get this out and pull off that little connector right here, which I can't do and film at the same time. Okay, so that's out now. All right, so there's supposed to be a T20 there, but this whole car is a case of someone's been here before. Okay, so the next bit is you're going to have to loosen this T20 and that T20. Now, this one is stripped and that one is gone. So someone's been here before. You just need to get this loose. Okay, so normally your glove box, it would be sitting like this. You have 3 T20 Torx. You need to take those out. Unfortunately, someone has been here. As for this, there's your glove box. So you're just gonna disconnect that and you're good to go. So what you're gonna wanna do is get yourself a pair of pliers, and there's gonna be a point here and a point there. You're just gonna wanna grab this and pull it out. Now normally the more expensive kits come with hardware, and that's also much easier to do as it's plug and play and you just put the old one in. But I only have a door. Get them like this and then line up the door and all these 3 and just push it in there. Okay, so you're supposed to line this door up here with your pins in. You take this little motor and line it up with the gear. So you're gonna start at the bottom with the T20s down here just to line it up. Okay, so I put this screw, this T20 in, and I put that T20 in the center in, and then you can pop this in and start lining these up. Okay, so the quickest way to get this to line up is you get a T20 in here and a T20 in there. Once that's in, push this in, and then you have access to the top and you could get this done fairly quickly. Okay, so those bottom 3 are in, those top 3 are in, and so our new glove door is in. I am aware that the plastic moves. This part of the interior has seen a very rough life. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe.